Everyday Fluent Podcast.
From the Fluenters.
Tim, I have a confession.
Oh no, what happened this time?
Yesterday, I got so lost in the Beijing subway that I ended up accidentally taking a scenic tour of basically the entire city for 2 hours.
Let me guess. You kept asking, 我在哪里? To everyone.
Yes! And they'd point and speak rapid Chinese, and I just nod and walk in the completely wrong direction.
Classic. Well, today we're going to make sure our listeners don't pull an Annie and end up in the suburbs when they meant to go to the mall.
Welcome back to Everyday Fluent Podcast Chinese Boot Camp.
I'm Annie, and apparently I'm the cautionary tale for this episode.
I'm Tim, and this is episode 5, Lost in the Subway Maze. 我在哪里? So, picture this. You're standing in a massive Chinese subway station. There's that classic announcement voice echoing everywhere. The signs are mostly in Chinese characters. People are flowing past you like water. And you're standing there like a deer in headlights thinking,
我在哪里呀?
Where am I?
Exactly. Now, Annie, break that down for our listeners.
Okay, so 我 is I, 在 means am at or am in, and 哪里 means where.
Perfect. Now, here's the thing. People might look at you funny if you're just standing there shouting, where am I?
Yeah, I got some weird looks.
Instead, try 请问 first. That's excuse me, but like politely getting someone's attention.
Oh, so 请问我在哪里?
Much better. You sound less like a lost tourist and more like a person asking for help.
But Tim, what if I need to get somewhere specific?
Great question. Let's say you need to find the bathroom, because let's be real, that's priority number 1 in any subway system.
So true.
You'd say, 请问洗手间在哪里? Excuse me, where's the bathroom?
Wait, hold up. 洗手间.
Literally, wash hands room. Way more polite than saying toilet.
I love how logical Chinese is sometimes. So the pattern is just thing plus 在哪里?
Bingo. 地铁站在哪里? Where's the subway station?
出口在哪里? Where's the exit?
星巴克在哪里? Where's Starbucks? Hey, no judgment. Sometimes you need familiar comfort food.
Okay, but here's my real problem. They answer me. And then I'm like, 什么?
Right. So you ask where something is, they give you directions in rapid-fire Chinese, and you're like, what now?
Exactly. What are the key words I should listen out for?
Okay, survival mode. Listen for these. 前面 means in front or ahead. 后面 behind. 左边 left side. 右边 right side.
Okay, this is actually manageable.
And here's the magic word. 直走 go straight.
直走. Go straight. But what if I still don't get it?
Just smile and say, 谢谢,我再找找. Thanks, I'll look around some more.
The polite way to say, I have no idea what you just said, but thank you for trying.
All right, let's get real for a minute, Annie. What actually saved you yesterday?
Honestly, this middle-aged lady saw me looking completely lost and just started speaking to me in English.
See, this is the thing about Chinese cities. A lot of people, especially younger folks or people who work in the city center, can speak some English.
But she taught me something cool. She showed me how to say, 我迷路了. I'm lost.
Oh, that's perfect. 我迷路了. Way more specific than just, where am I?
And she taught me, 你能帮我吗? Can you help me?
Beautiful. So if you're really stuck, 请问我迷路了,你能帮我吗?
Excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me?
Perfect. And here's a pro tip. Pull out your phone and show them where you're trying to go. Universal language.
Okay, but the real question, how do I get out of this maze?
Fair point. Look for 出口, exit, usually has a number after it.
出口, exit.
And if you need a specific exit, like exit A, you'd say, A 出口在哪里?
What if I just want to get to street level and figure it out from there?
Smart strategy. Just head for any 出口, and once you're outside, you can use your phone's GPS.
And if all else fails?
Find a McDonald's. I'm not even joking. They're everywhere, and they're excellent landmarks for meeting people or getting your bearings.
麦当劳在哪里? The most important phrase.
Real talk, though. Chinese people, especially in big cities, are generally super helpful to obviously lost foreigners.
Yeah, even when my Chinese was terrible, people would try to help.
It's this cultural thing. They're proud of their cities and want visitors to have a good experience. Plus, helping a foreigner practice Chinese is kind of fun for them, too.
I had one guy walk me 3 blocks out of his way to make sure I found the right entrance.
See? Don't be afraid to ask for help. The worst that happens is someone says, 对不起,我不知道. Sorry, I don't know.
And then you just try someone else.
All right, Eddie, let's practice. You're lost in Shanghai Metro. What do you say?
请问我迷路了.
Good start. Now you want to find the exit.
出口在哪里?
Perfect. I point and say, 前面,右边. What does that mean?
Ahead on the right side.
Boom, you got it. Now, let's make it harder. You walk that direction, but there are 3 exits. You see a kind-looking person and want to ask which exit goes to the street level.
Oh, no. 请问哪个出口到街上?
Nice try, but let's make it simpler. Just say, 请问哪个出口 and point up.
请问哪个出口? What if they point and say something like 那个出口?
那个 means that one. So they're saying that exit. Super helpful. By the way, in full form, it's 那一个, but people drop the e in daily speech. And when 那 comes before a measure word, it's often pronounced 那. So you'll hear a 那个 instead of 那一个.
Okay, I take that exit and I'm outside, but now I need to find a specific address. How do I ask for directions to a street?
Great question. You'd say 请问. Street name, 在哪里? But here's a pro tip. Most Chinese people will just use their phone to help you navigate.
Smart, but if my phone died and I'm looking for a landmark like the big shopping mall.
请问商场在哪里? Remember, 商场 is shopping mall. Then you might want to ask 怎么去? How do I get there?
What's a typical answer to that?
They might say 坐地铁, take the subway, or 打车, take a taxi. 坐 means take or ride, and 打车 literally means hit car, but it's just slang for calling a taxi.
So if someone says 坐地铁3站,
Take the subway, 3 stations. Perfect. You're getting the hang of this.
Okay, guys, I feel so much more confident about navigating now.
Remember, the key phrases 我在哪里 for where am I, 我迷路了 for I'm lost, and don't forget that 请问 to be polite.
And directions, 前面 ahead, 后面 behind, 左边 left side, 右边 right side. And remember, Chinese people are generally super helpful. Don't be shy about asking for directions. See you next time on Everyday Fluent Podcast Chinese Bootcamp.
Bye.